Oh my god.
خیلی هم خوشگلی.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Haja and sorry for my horrible before. But yeah, in this video we want to have a makeover. My mother-in-law is going to do a makeover on me. She didn't do my makeup until now, but she did do my hair often, and she dyed also my hair and cut my hair. She's a hairstylist as well as a makeup artist. I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. We're going to talk Persian. I might do some subtitles or I might not. I will just translate directly. خب مامان جون.
اول تو براشینگ میکنم.
So first of all, she's going to blow dry my hair to make it straight, and then she plans to do something with it, style it. So stay tuned. Okay, right now my mother-in-law has blow dried my hair. What she is doing right now is basically giving my hair some volume while curling it up with this brush. I don't know what it is called. I will just mention it under the video, but yeah, she will give my hair some volume with this tool. I wish I could do this on my own. It looks simple, but it isn't. I have tried it a lot on my own, but I think I need to do a workshop with my mother-in-law. She has to train me. They're so awful when it comes to hairstyling. So yeah, basically she prepared my face by getting rid of all the hair to do my makeup now, and she will style my hair later on. من حرف بزنی یا چون من یا ترنسلیت میکنم یا مینویسم زیر نویس.
خب من چشمتو ببند. میخوام پشت چشمتو شروع کنم از این یه ذره زدن آمادش کنم بر سایه زدن. وقتی که این یک دست شد بعد میگیم که چه سایه هایی رو میخوایم بزنیم. اولا یک دست شد. حتی اگه یه ذرم از این کریم پودر روی ابرو بیاد خوبه چون فرمهش میده. خب فعلا از سایه های مات استفاده میکنیم. بعد میتونیم کسایی رو که داریم میکاپ میکنیم مثل کسایی که میخوایم براشون موژه بذاریم، موژه کاشت یعنی اکستنشن موژه، خیلی ها اینجای ابرو رو چسب میزنن برای موژه. خب ما وقتی میخوایم قشنگ کنترل داشته باشیم رو سایه‌مون میتونیم اینو با چسب اینطوری یه دونه بزنیم ببریم بالا و شروع کنیم چیز کردن. قلم ظریف بتونم اون تیرگیه رو بزنم تو اینجا خوبه. من معمولا اینو یه تا چم خیس میکنم. من که همیشه مشتریمو میخوابونم از صندلی برقی ها میکاپ میکنم. اوکی ها فقط موجه یادم دیدی مسلطه. من آیلاینر رو فقط با همین سایه میزنم.
It feels so relaxing when someone does your makeup. It's also it's not easy for someone to work on your face if it's their first time, even if it's a makeup artist and she's been doing that like for years. Every eye shape is different, and no matter how many eyes you've had in the past as a makeup artist, you're always having a challenge when you have a new face in front of you, new eye shape. Okay, so now she cleaned the eyeshadow fallout and is applying my concealer.
بعد وقتی که من موژه رو میذارم اون وقت دوباره سایه رو با اون تطبیق میدم با موژه. من عادت دارم که همیشه ریمل رو اینجوری میزنم. از بالا پایین رو نگاه کن. خب این موژه کامل نیست دیگه. ما تقریبا از وسط پلک اینو کامل چسبوندیم. خب بذاریم یه کمی خشک بشه این. بعد باید چون بعد گوشه چشمتو درست کنم. چقدر مامانی شدی.
مرسی.
حالا چیز میکنم. نمیخواستم خیلی ابروتو بکشم. من که ابروت قشنگ رنگی داره
و کلوفته. تو میکاپو بیشتر دوست داری یا مو؟ کار مو یا هر دو؟
هر دوشو.
کدومشو بیشتر؟
آخه ببین جفتشو یه اندازه دوست دارم.
آره چون اینو پرسیدم چون میدونم نقاشی میکنی اینا.
آره قطعا. خب ببین آخه مو هم بخوای حساب کنی کار رنگ یه چیزی این خود نقاشی دیگه.
دقیقاً. الان ماسکارا بلندش کردی توی
هم بلندش کردم. خب
Okay, so my mother-in-law decided to do half of my face complete and then she will do the other half off camera so you guys can see a real life before and after. A real time before and after, sorry. She's working on my lower lash line, applying some eyeshadow on it.
الان بالا رو نگاه کن. اونجا
کانتور میکنی؟
آره من همیشه کانتور میکنم برای اینکه اون قسمت رو عمیق‌تر نشون میده. تو حالا قبقب نداری ولی خیلی ها دارن و
قشنگ میشه کلا اگرم نداری.
خب ما اول همیشه یه ذره لب و
خط لب
چیز نه اول میزنم که بمونه. باز کن لبتو. بعد کسی که لباشون برجسته نیست میتونن یه ذرم پودر بزنن ولی تو لبت برجسته است نیازی نداره. بعد تو لبت نیاز به گریم نداره. اگر داشت اون وقت گریمش هم میتونستیم که حالا خودت یاد میدی دیگه. معمولا اینجا هم میزنم. بعد روژ لبت هم که زدیم یک کوچولو هم از این من بزنم.
این هایلایتر. Okay guys, so basically this is before and this is after and I truly like the results. I really love it. Hey guys, we're back and this is the complete look. We're going to add some lip gloss to give the lips some volume and I absolutely love it. Oh my god. I always admired this makeup on her eyes because this is her signature look and she wears it a lot herself and also applied on clients and I absolutely loved it and it's the first time she's applying it on my eyes and I absolutely love it. As I said before, everything else looks very similar to my makeup. The base makeup looks very similar to my makeup. I like it really light and I don't like to layer products a lot and this is what she has also done without me telling her because it's her style, you know. I absolutely love it. Thank you. Thank you. Merci Onjun. But we're not done yet. The hair is still left.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's all the shrug.
Yeah. بگو چی کار میکنی؟
خب من میخوام فرقت کج باشه. خب میخوام از اینجا یه مد من شونه رو بردارم.
As I told you guys before, this is not going to be educational. It's just kind of entertainment and how give you some inspiration or idea how to apply your next party event makeup. Okay, so she said that she is parting my hair sideways so she can work on this part by braiding it. I can't braid my hair like she does. I have tried it several times watching tutorials and stuff, but I didn't succeed. It's just so hard to do it on yourself especially. And I just have two left hands for hair. That's whenever my mother-in-law is here. I have really nice looking hair and you will see that or notice it in the upcoming videos as well that my hair looks like more styled and the hair dye looks more fresh and the cut also looks more fresh.
all I can do is do some curls and use the hair straightener and straighten my hair. But it's going to change since we have plans to practice it. She will basically give me a training while she's here, and I'll practice it on my friend's hair or also on a mannequin's head. And yeah, I need to learn something. I need to learn more hairstyling tips and tricks because many clients ask you to do their hair at the same time as well. And yeah, I think I should be practicing it and offering it in the future. Oh my god, I love it. It's so beautiful. I know what it's called. I think it's the I need to make a research myself.
Like,
oh my god. It looks like done already, but she says she needs some volume here. As you can see, she's teasing my front hair, so it looks like more volumized. So she decided to give my hair some curls, just to give them some structure, some flattering structure, because it matches well with the braiding, with the braid. Please excuse me if I don't speak the words correctly, it's just not my native language. The end result, and yeah, what do I have to say? It looks so beautiful. Thank you, come on the camera, thank you. Sorry, I didn't want to do that. meeste kinderen zijn geboren oh, die heeft geen goed. And it looks very unique, you know. You can make something like this out of short hair. It's so beautiful. I told her like, what can we do with this short hair other than curls or waves? Because it's the only thing that came to my mind. But she's so creative and talented. Thank you. It's more beautiful than what I did on you in the previous video. If you haven't seen this video, please make sure to watch it. Okay, the moment of truth. I'm going to pass her the mirrors because yeah, it's a makeover on my mom-in-law by me, and this is basically her work on me. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will let her say goodbye to you guys and see you in my next videos. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye.
Bye bye.